We have this massive splice to run through the chart builder. Start by setting cable size and fibers per group. This is optional. Whatever cable size you choose for your project. The chart updates instantly. The easiest method is to copy and paste those cable counts. Easy with Google Lens for instant capture. Google Lens captures the job sheet and extracts fiber counts with precision. Text selection highlights key data, then copies it seamlessly. Now, paste the extracted counts into the input field. No more manual entry, no risk of errors before the splice. Chart ready for review and use. Data enters the chart in real time, building color-coded fiber groups as you type. The chart appears instantly, color-coded and fully populated, ready for review. Notice how every fiber group is accurately mapped, no more guessing or whiteboard scribbles. With a single tap, you can order the custom PDF, choosing size and adding a chart name. It's ready to print, share, or use on-site accurate before the splice, not after. If you want a copy of the high-resolution PDF, the checkout process opens in Stripe. The payment completes and PDF is ready for download. If you need more, buy a 10-pack for $20 with multiple payment methods available. Fiber Count Chart Builder Guide. For step-by-step instructions are here on the bottom. Drop us a note on the contact form for support or to share your feedback.